Rightly dividing the word of truth. Week 3 Israel, Law, and the Kingdom. Post 79. Israel's restoration prophesied. Amos 9:14-15. For we must all appear before the judgment seat of Christ, that every one may receive the things done in his body, according to that he hath done, whether it be good or bad. 2 Corinthians 5:10. KJV, the judgment seat. Greek letter beta, Greek letter mu, Greek letter alpha, bema, of Christ is a critical distinction in dispensational theology. It is not the great white throne of Revelation 20, that is for unbelievers, judged for sins. The bema is for believers, evaluated for service. At the bema, a believer's works are tested as by fire. 1 Cor 3:12-15. Gold, silver, precious stones survive. Wood, hay, stubble burn. The believer who suffers. Read 1 Corinthians 3:10-15. The bema judgment illustrated. Ask yourself, what am I building with my life? Gold, eternal, spirit-empowered work, or wood, self-effort, people-pleasing, earthly accolades? Paul's standard. 1. Was it done in the Spirit? 2. Was it done for God's glory? 3. Was it done in love? 1 Cor 13? Examine one area of your current service by these 3 standards. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Rightly Dividing KJV for daily Bible study.